Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I had explained to you about index and match with name range. In today's video, I'll be explaining you how do you do index and match with picture lookup. So let us see our sample data. You can download this sample data from my description below. This is my data. We have given you some IDs over here. Names are given, age, gender, and phone. I would like to put some photo over here of that person, Roika photo, Sunita, James, Rebecca, and Katrina, which I have already downloaded some photos from the net and I have stored in my computer. So whatever ID I type over here, for example, if I type here 101, I want that Sunita photo should be here. Or whatever number you type ID, that person's photo should be seen over here. So that is what we are doing this option called as index and match with picture lookup it is called as. For doing this, first of all, I have to put the pictures over here. So for that, you can just keep your cell pointer, just click on insert, click on picture. So once you click on picture, there's an option called as this device. Click. If I come here, see this is I put that image over here. Click one folder is there. Now this is Roika photo I want first. Roy, click on Roy, insert. So Roika photo comes. Make it a little smaller like this size, and place it over here like this. Give it an edge like this. Give some gap like this. Some gap should be there on the left side because I required to copy actually. So that's why we require this side mate should be there. A gap should be there. So like that you do for the others also same way. Insert picture, this device, and this is Sunita. So I click on Sunita's image, insert. Sorry, yeah. So just make size little smaller and place here like this. Then next is James. So I can click on insert picture, this device, James photos here. Click insert, make the size a little smaller, and place in inside that box. Then next one is Rebecca. Insert again picture, this device, and click Rebecca photo, and then click on insert. So this is Rebecca. Place her here. Then next one is Katrina. Again, click on insert picture, this device, and select Katrina and insert. So now I have put all the images over here like this, all the photo has been put over here. After that, what you must do, keep your cell point on photo. This I have written a photo. Keep your cell pointer here, that is G2, and you're supposed to give a name, define name. So you have to click on formulas, name manager, click on this button called as new. Over here in your photo, you can give some name here. I'm just giving a name called as IMG. You're supposed to give a new name. If the name is already there in that list, it will not work. So you have to give a new name. I'm giving a name called as IMG. Then click down below here, refer to. Remove this entire thing and keep only that equal to sign and type over there index. Because I like to use a formula here called as index and match. So you write equal to index, bracket open, select from here G3 to G7. So that's why I told you to leave a gap over here so that I will be able to drag it. Otherwise, you will not be able to drag it. That's the reason. And you're getting a picture lookup. This is the name of your sheet actually. My name of my sheet is Picture Lookup. So that's why it's showing you that name till G7. After that, give a comma and write down your match. Bracket open. After match, then you click over here. That is till G7 we have taken, alright? So again you write comma match, bracket open, and select this I3. This is where I will be typing the ID. Again that picture lookup will come here. Okay, comma. And then from this list it will search IDs. So select this full line till B7, comma 0. If that number is not there in your list, it will not come. And 2 times bracket close because 2 times open it. You can say OK or you can press enter. So the name will come here like this, see, IMG. So now you can say close. So the name gets closed from here. After that, this picture is there, now the first person's name that you have to copy over here. If I click on this image, now this is an image. I don't want the image to be copied. The cell has to be copied. So click on that box side. You can see the plus sign, mouse card. Click. You can see a green color. This is your cell. So now you will press Ctrl C from your keyboard. So now this entire box is copied. Now you keep it over here, photo, and then right click on this arrow sign, paste special, and come down here. Link picture, click. So you get a, yes, sorry, okay. So I'll just type some number here first, 100. Okay. So now if you right click, sorry, just click on this, Control C, copy, click over here, right click, paste, and this paste link. So when you say paste link, that thing gets copied over. See, you can adjust it, the size and everything. I'm just making the size a little smaller actually, and placing it over here. So I can adjust it according to your choice, how you want to adjust it. Okay. So I have put that number over here, 100, and his name is Roy. That is fine. But if I type here 101, enter, it is not changing. The photo is not getting changed. That is because click on the photo like this. Click on the photo. Over here is written G3. If you remember, I have given the name called as define name A as the name as image IMG. So that will have to change over here. That's the reason it is not changing. The photo is not changing. So click over here, click on the photo and come here. Formula bar is at the top. Remove that G3, enter thing and type here IMG. See, the name has come here. See, IMG. Tab. So that entire name comes on top here. Press enter. So now you will see that number is changing. See, 101. If I type here 102, enter, that name, the photo is getting changed. Instead of you typing like this, you can use as a data validation. Keep your cell point over here on I3. Click on data. Click on this icon, data validation, settings, list. Source is asking you select this full ID of yours and say OK. So you get that list over here. I'll just make it a little bigger. Yeah. So now if I click on any of the numbers over here like this, 100. So this is Roika photo, 101. This is Sunita's photo. So whichever number you click over here, you can see it. So this is the way you can use in case you want to do something like this. This is called as an index and match with picture lookup. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Shushin. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.